When we heal the collective karma of self-worth, we also redefine abundance so that we're not overcompensating for our perceived lack of enoughness. I can't tell you how many times when I talk about the future of the human design chart and the solar plexus mutation, and I talk about how we are no longer going to be creating in the flow of abundance that we create now, people panic because we're so locked into this very aberrant definition of abundance. And I really have sort of contemplated not using that word anymore, because we have a tendency to think that what we think of as abundance is actually overabundance. Our definition of abundant is actually overabundant. It usually has mixed into it a certain degree of using resources to overcompensate for your lack of self-worth. So I'm going to invite us into exploring the idea of abundance, redefining it as sufficiency. And that sufficiency might not sound sexy, but sufficiency is amazing. It means each and every day, when you wake up, you have enough. You don't even have to worry about it anymore. You just know you have enough. And if you have enough, you're better positioned to make sure that the people around you also have enough. And they, in turn, can say, hey, I have enough, I am enough, I have enough. Now I can create enough, and more and more and more enoughness gets transmitted across the face of the globe.